Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, a big welcome. I want to take the time, I want to ask you how you're doing. Everything blessed, everything crisp, everything copacetic, what a guan, no good. Basically what I'm saying in my Patwa, in my Jamaican voice, is that I was asking if you're doing good, how are you, is everything okay? I hope you're doing well. But nonetheless, I have 5 inspirational quotes just for you. But see you right after this. Hi guys, welcome back. Well, my first quote for you today is by Buddha, and it goes like this. You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and your affection. Don't be afraid to fail, but be afraid not to try. You alone are enough. You have nothing to prove to anyone, and that's by Maya Angelou. Talk to yourself like somebody you love. Regardless of how anyone else sees me, today I choose to love myself completely. So guys, we've come to the end of the 5 quotes, but before I go, here are some examples of how I give myself some well-deserved self-love. I'm just playing with these filters, and I really love this one. It is super cute. I look like an angel. I'm descending from the heavens. Yeah, I'm so beautiful. I'm a God sent. Okay? Peace out. Isn't this cool? This filter is feeling life. I hope you were somewhat inspired. Thank you for watching. See you next time in my next video. Toodles. Bye bye. Mwah.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.